Monday morning, all my T's and Z's. I'm really liking that one, and when you guys find out what it means, you're gonna like it too. And I have helping me today in the nursery, TZLovesRealNewborns, is Miss Samantha, little Miss Noel with her little feet hanging out, of course, Nanny Nellie, and my new baby doll. I still have to give her a name. I have to wait till it hits me. And my first reborn, Princess Cammie. For those of you new to my channel, I love this baby. This is my Princess Cammie. She's the one that started it all. And I love her to death. And she's also helping us with this giveaway today. And guys, guess what? On Saturday, we had a rainy day secret flash giveaway, and it ended last night at 11 p.m. And here we go, guys. We had 4 boxes you had to choose from. The name of the video was Rainy Day People. That's right, and there were 32 of you who seen Rainy Day People. And I have you guys right here with your choices, page 1. And there was only one entry for sunflower. So whatever is in sunflower automatically goes to that person. And that's page 1. And page 2. Now, right here, guys, I know I have some new subscribers. I need my new subscribers to read the instructions down below every giveaway video. When you send us an email, make sure the name of your YouTube channel is in your email. We went ahead and put the first name of these entries right here. So if you see your name with a line, please shoot us another email and give us your YouTube channel name. And guys, always make sure you're a subscriber when you play our games. And that's page 2. Alright, guys, and here is the consensus. 12 daisy, 11 roses, 8 wildflower, and 1 sunflower. So whatever is in sunflower is an automatic win for this person. But guys, I have no idea what is in these boxes. They're right here, and we're going to start with wildflower, move on to daisy. Then we're going to open the roses, and then the sunflower. So here we go. And you remember, my team put each entry, what you're going to win in each box, including the buzzer. So let's see what's in the wildflower box. What does the bottle say? Wildflowers. All right, guys, here we go. Doc McStuffin. So if you picked wildflower, you are in the giveaway for Doc McStuffin. All right, that's exciting. Wildflowers, Doc McStuffin. All right, guys, we're going to open daisy. Let's see what's in the daisy box. And here we go, daisy. And it is Amazon gift card. So if you pick daisy, you are in the drawing for the Amazon gift card. All right, guys, let's go. 2 more roses. Let's see what's in the rose box. If you picked roses and your bottle says, oh no, sorry, maybe next time. Awesome, guys, you took a chance. Give yourselves a big hand. Roses was our buzzer. All right, guys, we'll put roses right here. Now let's see what's in the sunflower. And we know there's something because we already got our buzzer. All right, sunflower. And what is in sunflower? The Doterra mini kit. Congratulations. We had one entry in sunflower. You will receive the Doterra mini kit. Congratulations. All right, guys, this was our reveal. And we will have the video up later this afternoon picking our winner of Wildflowers and Daisy. And of course, the sunflower was an automatic win. One person. All right, guys, I want to thank you all for playing our secret rainy day flash giveaway. Give us a big thumbs up. Make sure if you're not a subscriber, smash that subscribe button. And always, guys, don't miss out on a fun gamer giveaway. Keep your bells on.